Okay, this is what's gonna happen. These guys right here. Okay, I'm gonna epoxy all this stuff in here. And epoxy these, and then epoxy around them. Stick them back in the hole. And then that way, this will give strength to this side. Because I already got these right here. This is giving strength to this side. Same thing with this side. I got one, well, you can't see too well. I got 1, 2, and 3 in here. But now I'm going to put some more holes into here and epoxy that. Okay, so anyways, then I can't show you too well, but I wonder if I can, hang on. I don't know if you can see in there too well. I don't know if you can see that in there or not, but it's all oily. I don't know if I can get up in there or not. Maybe not. Anyways, it's behind the filter there, and it's oily. You can see, I think you can see the shininess. You know, there's the dripping right there. Anyway.